How to change your Instagram date of birth. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your date of birth on your Instagram account. Now, open the app and you'll get an interface like this that you can see on the screen. Head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen. Now, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Now, head over to settings, and here if you scroll down you'll find the option account. Tap on it and go to personal information. Now here you'll be able to look at your email address, your phone number and your birth date. Now since I opened my Insta account from my Facebook, I'll need to update it on Facebook. But if you have not opened your account from Facebook, you can change your birthday right here by tapping on the birthday. I'll show you by switching on to my next account that is not linked to Facebook. Head over to accounts, your personal information, and here if you click on birthday, I'll be able to change my birthday right here. And then once you change it, click on the tick button that you can find on the top right of your screen. This way you can change your birth date on Instagram. Hope you like this. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.